everyone, Lychee here, and I almost have my whole face done, but there is one thing missing, and if you can guess it, yeah, it is my eyebrows. That's why, and the reason why I don't have my eyebrows done is because I'm reviewing this. It's Revlon's new ColorStay Brow Kit, and they say it's supposed to last for 24 hours. And let's open it up and see what Revlon gives us. And you would think after 1.5 fails that I wouldn't trust another Revlon product, but I still have faith in them, especially since I like their foundation. And let's see. Wow, okay. They give you a spoolie, they give you a brush, and they give you wax with color. And I am using, sorry, my allergies are acting up, sorry. I am using 104 Soft Brown because my hair is brown. It used to be blonde. I'm serious. It used to be Sunshine Golden Blonde. I don't know what happened. Okay, so, oh my goodness. Oh, there we go. Okay, so you're supposed to use one end for the wax or the white, and the other end for the color. And one end is actually thicker, and this end is actually thinner than the other. Let's see. And obviously the spoolie to like blend it out, and let's see, let's look at the directions. It says for a natural look. Is there anything different than a natural look? Well, maybe there's an extreme look. Let's see. Okay, first, use the angled brush to apply pomade. That must be the wax part, the white part. 2 brows in short strokes, and then use the other side of the brush, to apply powder in short strokes, Blend brows with blending brush. Oh, you mean you're not? Okay, well, it's a good thing I read that, because I would have used the spoolie to blend the wax. Okay. So first, let's use this end. Let's get some, this. It actually does feel like wax. Well, actually, it doesn't feel sticky or anything. Okay. Now let me come up here and put it in my eyebrow and work it into my eyebrows. Yeah, I know that this is supposed to like shape my eyebrows. So let's see what Revlon gives me. Okay, doing the other side. Yeah, it is shaping. Wow, that's pretty nifty. Okay, now the other side, this side, I'm going to put into the brown, and short, soft strokes is what they said. Wow, I'm actually nice. Okay, let me do the other end, because obviously this side has the wax, or it has more. Okay. So far so good. Let me do the other side. Short, soft strokes. Okay, maybe it'll look better after I work it in with, or after I blend it with the spoolie. Yeah, not bad. Spoolie time. Let's blend it. Oh, much better. Much, much better. Yeah, much better. Although, there we go. Oof. It does look like one is higher than the other though. I think that's a fault on my part. Hold on. Well, my eyebrows never did match. Yeah, I'm serious. They never did match. I hate my eyebrows. They never match. Okay, so let's see how long this will last. If it really will last, as long as they say it will. Okay, so I did cheat a little and I did redo my eyebrows. There wasn't anything wrong with the product. It was just the way that I was drawing it on, and hopefully my eyebrows are a little more even this time, because this one like has like a good arch, and this one is like a sophisticated arch. Hopefully they're more even now. But anyway, my final thoughts on this. It's definitely not sticky, you know, like it definitely doesn't dry, like crusty dry, like this will, the Maybelline Brow Drama. It literally feels like you're taking a tube of mascara and you're putting it on your eyebrows. That's what this feels like. And it will definitely stay in place. Ooh, it will stay in place all day long. But this won't, and if you want that security of your eyebrows feeling like plastic, like it's going to stay there no matter what, rain, snow, sleet, hail, whatever, then the Maybelline Brow Drama is definitely for you. The Revlon ColorStay Brow Kit is more natural, and it does have the waxy base, which actually doesn't feel like a wax. It will definitely bring your eyebrows out a little more, but as far as staying in place, it's okay, so it's not really going to like stay in place no matter what. But if you don't like the feeling of that sticky, hard, crusty feeling like the Maybelline Brow Drama, then the Revlon Brow Kit is definitely for you. So I would actually still recommend it for those who want a more natural feeling to their eyebrows. And yeah, and that's about it. So I do recommend it. Revlon ColorStay Brow Kit. Runs about $9 or $10. All right, I'll see you in my next video. Stay safe. Bye-bye.